Hey y'all, Bear here. Look here, it's time to do a little camp cooking. That's right. I was in Uwharrie National Forest backpacking. I went prepared for 3 days and a couple nights out on the trail, and I ended up pulling out on the second day because of weather. So I thought I'd bring out my second night's dinner and we'd cook it up together. One of the fun things about this trip was instead of getting backpacking food, I went to the grocery store. I bought all my food for the backpacking trip at Food Lion, and I just thought that would be fun. That's what I did. And so this was a meal I came up with utilizing the Kraft White Cheddar Deluxe Mac and Cheese. This one right here. If you get the Kraft Deluxe Mac and Cheese, they have an actual cheese sauce in here, not just the powder, okay? So buy the deluxe ones for camping. It works better than the powder. All right, so in the meantime, I didn't take it to camp like that, so we'll just get rid of it. And what I did was I packed my meal up in a sandwich baggie, okay? So I've got Spam, I've got the macaroni, the cheese, a shallot, and I think there's a garlic in there and some black pepper. So let's get it out and cook it. And this is exactly the cook setup I took with me to Uwharrie that weekend. So we've got some water, we're gonna need that for the mac and cheese. Oh yeah, I've got oil for frying up the scallion and Spam. And matches. Whew. Don't go away, stool. Alright, so let's see here. I don't know, not quite 2 cups. That's probably plenty for the mac and cheese to cook the macaroni. So let's get the water going while we cut up our veggies. Come here, Match. Let's see here. Need the Spam single. There's my garlic. Garlic. That. Just put the pepper right there. Put the cheese sauce over here. I need something to put my trash in. I'll be right back. I'll tell you something I'm curious about now that I'm sitting here with this grate is if I can put my stove underneath it and set my pan on the grate above my stove. I took my Victorinox hiker with me. Thanks to Mike from Under the Carolina Sky for turning me on to that guy. Give our garlic a little dice. Ah! Pan popped. Peeling these shallots is a little bit of a pain. Not gonna lie about that. A regular onion's a little bit easier. But they're just the perfect size for camp. It's the onion without extra onion. Alright, let's go ahead and put the pasta in there. Conserve our fuel. That's what we'd do if we were at camp. Even though I've done it a few times, it's still awkward to slice and dice your ingredients in your cook pot with a pocket knife. Ooh. He thinks we've got a boil. And these macaroni noodles, if you get the microwave packets, they ought to cook super fast because they're made to cook in the microwave in 3 minutes, including bringing the water to a boil. So really, you could probably, if you're alcohol stoving it, you could probably throw this in your water cold, your macaroni in there, light it, let it go, and it'll be done when the alcohol goes out. I usually get a couple minutes of boil after my water comes to a boil. This stuff up. Hit my pan with some oil. Now we'll hit the top side with some oil. Alright, noodles should be good. I'm just going to set them off just like that for right now. Now what I wonder, sitting here and messing with this thing, oh, you could. That's neat. Hey y'all, let's do a little experiment here. While we're doing this, let's put a little stove under the grate. Ha! I dig it. That's awesome. So there's a little hack for you if you're camping where you got these rings and grates. That is awesome. If I positioned it the right way, I could even reach under there and adjust it. If you watch my steak video, you'll know it was kind of a pain to move my pan around on the stove. Go ahead and put a pepper packet. Ooh, lost a spam, y'all. Putting that stove under that grate is awesome. I'm gonna go lose the water. I'm gonna go get the water out of this. Alright, so here's the deal. At camp, I don't want but so many dirty dishes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our cheese sauce ready. We're gonna open it up. And then we're gonna put the macaroni in this guy. And we're going to mix it and eat out of that pan. That way we've only got one dish that's really and truly funky to clean up. That is awesome. Alright, that way we just have to rinse the starch off the sides of this guy. Pretty easy clean up. And let's get our cheese sauce in.
Just so you know, I use 2 of those macaroni and cheese buckets. Therefore, we have the 2 sauce packets.
Now, one thing I'm going to tell you is there are cheaper alternatives for doing macaroni and cheese. But these noodles that are made to cook in the microwave cook up really fast at camp. So you're not wasting a lot of fuel. And the cheese sauce just makes it easy. Hit that guy with some more my other pepper packet. So there we go. There's our camp mac and cheese with Spam and grilled onions and garlic. Let's dig in and give it a eat. And so like this is what we did at camp, you know, or what I did at camp. I kicked back by my fire, sitting on my sitting log, and I ate. Oh man, that's good. That's actually really good. This is going in my camp menu. This is actually really good, y'all. Totally gonna be worth cleaning the pot. And the cleanup's not too bad on that, y'all. It doesn't really have anything burn on. Get you some water on there really quick. You can warm that water up if you want. And you know, and just that quick and easy with a half a paper towel and a little water, and it just wipes right out. Take your paper towel with you. Can't get that in a mountain house bag, y'all. We'll see you on the trail.